Some news just out from Pfizer. Meg Terrell has the story. Meg, good morning again.
Good morning, Becky. Pfizer just telling me it is moving into the later stages of clinical trials for testing its COVID vaccine in kids under the age of 11. This after doing the initial safety and immunogenicity testing, the phase 1 study. So now they've selected lower doses for kids under age 11. In this phase 2/3 portion of the trial, first they're starting in kids ages 5 to 11, and they're going down to a dose of 10 micrograms. Now that's a third of the dose that they use for adults and kids over the age of 12. This will be 2 doses they are testing. Then in a few weeks, they'll start the portion of the trial, the phase 2/3 portion, in kids down to ages 2 to 4 and then down to ages 6 months to 2. And for that, they're using 3 micrograms, so a tenth of the dose that they're using for kids over 12 and for adults. This will be 2 doses. They're enrolling 4,500 participants in the U.S., Finland, Poland, and Spain, assessing the efficacy in kids under 12. Becky, the company saying people this age do get COVID and spread COVID, and so they're hopeful they can protect them as well. It will be slightly more complicated because they're testing these lower doses, but we'll wait to see how those data shake out. Becky?
Yeah, more complicated because you have to see the efficacy. There's 2 things you're testing, efficacy and safety. You want to give a lower dose for the safety perspective on it, but you want to make sure that it actually is enough to get the immune system kicked in and working for the kids, right?
Absolutely, and I'll be eager to see the immunogenicity data, the level of antibody response they're able to generate with these lower doses. We haven't seen those data yet. Clearly, they chose them based on seeing signs that those doses are just what you need. A third for kids under 5 to 11, and a tenth for even younger kids. That's enough, they think, to provide protection.
The timeline for this, what we've heard to this point, Pfizer and Moderna, I think we were kind of expecting results that could be submitted to the FDA maybe end of September. Does that still look like the time frame?
Yeah, for kids in the older age group of this under 11 group by September, and then even younger kids, I believe, in November is the time frame. So we'll have to see what the data look like and also how long the FDA takes to evaluate it, since as they are looking at different doses, it's slightly more complicated than it was for the 12 to 15-year-olds, which was the same dose as for adults.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.